In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add index generator in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this tool up and running on your charts so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the middle or upper left of the toolbar, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and manage all the tools you want to add to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so your cursor is active there. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of built-in and community indicators. And the quickest way to find what you need is simply to type it in rather than scrolling. Now, in that search field, type Index Generator. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below. Take a second to make sure you spell it correctly so the right indicator appears. Once you see Index Generator in the list, confirm that it's the one you're looking for, then click on it. The moment you click, TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. You should see new visuals or panels appear, depending on how the indicator is designed. If nothing seems to change, zoom out or check your chart scale, as some indicators display their information in a separate pane. At this stage, you can also customize the settings for Index Generator if you like. Just hover over its name on your chart, open the settings, and adjust inputs, colors, or visibility to fit your trading style. Small tweaks here can make the information easier to read and more aligned with how you analyze the market. Finally, if you're not yet on TradingView Pro or you want to upgrade, make sure to use the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you're on the Pro version, where tools like this really shine with more flexibility and features. That's all you need to add Index Generator in TradingView Pro and get it working on your charts.